So hi everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural. The end of the month has gone. It is a new month. Happy new month to you all. And yeah, let's clear out the elephant in the room, as they say, even though I don't see any elephant in the room. Well, okay, so this is my wig. I'm wearing a wig today. My daughter did my hair. I'm gonna show you what she did, and then let's take this out. And of course, when you wear a wig, always protect your hair with a hair tie, not hair tie. Always protect your hair with a wig cap. But she's been practicing cornrowing, and yesterday we were watching a show, and yeah, so she put in these cornrows. Yeah, they're not the neatest, but I'm so proud of her because she has been doing really well. Some days it's hit or miss. This is a little bit of a miss. The last time when she did my hair, she did a really cute style, but this time we're just practicing straight back. You guys might not realize, but when you do styles that go all the way back, although they look very simple, they can be very hard to do. And the reason being that not being able to end everything at the back, because the front of the head is always, I know I'm gonna mess up with my wig, but the front of the head is always bigger than the back of the hair. Now I need a mirror. Let me go wear this wig. Okay, so I've worn it, and yeah, so let's start with what we used up. In this video, I'll also be announcing who won August giveaway. Every month I do a giveaway, you guys. If you don't realize, like, oh my gosh, she does, oh really, did I miss something? Well, you all have a chance to win a product every month from me, and the way that you win it is you have to watch our videos. We bring out videos every Monday, sometimes Wednesdays, and also on Fridays. So if you're like, oh, it's Monday, I've not seen a video from Discovering Natural, it's because YouTube has been shady and YouTube has not been using the notification stuff, or you didn't turn off your notification. So make sure you turn on your notification, and also always check back noon on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays for our videos. And there'll be a giveaway. It can be at the beginning of the month, it can be at the end of the month, it could be at the middle of the month, anytime. I don't usually write it on the title. I don't, because I don't feel I need to tell you I'm gonna do a giveaway or not. So that's the way I do my giveaways. I just make it, you know, I want the real people to win, because one thing I realize is that when you do, oh, I'm doing a giveaway, people that don't even watch the video, they end up entering, and then when I do my random selection, it picks some of them, and then they never do anything again. Why reward people like that? I want to reward people that genuinely come back and watch. So come back, watch, always leave a comment. It's very important. Always leave a comment, because usually when I'm doing my giveaway, I always look at the comment, I pick from the comment. I don't know you enter the giveaway if you don't write any comment. So always leave a comment. Let us start with what we used up. Okay, so in August we used up the Aunt Jackie Cocoa Repair Deep Conditioner. This was quite a good one. We loved it. It worked really well on my hair. My hair is low porosity, my daughter's hair is high porosity, and my other daughter's hair is normal porosity. It worked really well on our hair. And is it a repurchase? If I find it at a decent price and I don't have any other deep conditioner, yes, I'll pick it up. It's really good. It works really well. Moving on, we're going to go, we didn't use up any shampoos this time, so that's why I didn't say shampoo. So usually after doing a deep conditioning, we do leave-in. Of course, we always use up about one of this each month, so you are sure to find it. So this is the Kadima leave-in conditioner. It works really well. I use it as a moisturizer. I use it as the L, my liquid, during the week when I'm moisturizing my hair. We also used up the Hair Brew Detangling conditioner. I use this also as a creamy leave-in conditioner, and that also worked excellently on my hair. It had a really thick consistency. In working with it with gels, it worked okay with gels, so that was nice to know. And yeah, so I've used this up. Another spray that we used, and this is my daughter, this is the Wigout leave-in conditioner, and this is actually by Style Factor. We always use about one of this a month, so you'll probably be seeing it. So those are the liquid and creamy leave-in. Moving on to moisturizer, my daughter used up the Soultanical Marula Muru Moisture Guru. So I don't know how it did on her hair, so I'm gonna have her come and tell you what she felt that this did on her hair.
So I did use one of the products. Sorry. I did use one of the products. It is the Marula Muru Moisture Guru. I really like this product. I think the only complaint that I have is that it was like, it had a specific texture that was like, it felt weird on my hair and stuff like that. And the smell is a little bit overpowering. But other than that, I think this is a good moisturizer.
Okay, so back to me. We finally finished the Jamaican Tropic black castor oil. This is my favorite castor oil to use. I don't think I'm going to repurchase this, and the reason, I don't know if I'm going to repurchase this or not. I probably will because I like mixing my castor oil, but ever since I started using this Jamaican black castor butter, pure butter, I've just not been so keen on using the oil, and we've really slowed down in how much oil we use on our scalp and on our scalp, because we only use oils on wash day and that's it. So it takes forever for us to finish oils. But I do want to try some other brands of Jamaican black castor oil, which I saw when I went to TJ Maxx, I believe. Another one that we use up, of course, is the Kadima. This is the Kadima hair oil. I use it as a pre-poo, and I also use it as a hair oil, and it works really well. Now, the products that you're going to see now, they're not empty, but I have a reason for putting them in this empty. The first one is my LottaBody Mousee. Now, you can see that there's just a little bit of it left. This mousse has expired. It expired a couple of months ago and I didn't realize it. There's just a little bit left. The way that you know products expire, if you look at the back, let's see if it will zoom. Okay. So if you look at the back, I know this is covering it. You could see like a jar case, something like a jar. Let me see if I can find another product that has it. Okay, so this is the Gorilla Snot, another one that we've not used up. I'm going to open it up and you can see we still have a whole bunch in there. This is quite tacky and it has expired. We've added longer than the expiration date. I'm going to zoom in because I feel like people become product junkies and they don't realize that products do expire. So if you look at the jar area, you'll see the jar area has a particular number. Let's zoom even further. This is the most my camera will zoom. So let me see if it will show it. Okay, so you see that number right over there? That number shows, yeah, my nail is dirty. That number shows how much, the time frame. Let me see if I can get something. So this is the time frame. Like right over there, this jar over here. Yeah, so that is the time frame for how long you have to keep the jar open. So when the jar has been open, calculate this and add on how many months it says, and then if it's past that time, it has expired. So this Gorilla Snot actually says 12 months. We've added for longer than 12 months. We've had it for 2 years and we stopped using it after that. So that's why it's in this empty. Now this last product, the reason why it is in this empty, I'm gonna tell you. This is very important, but first of all, here is the winner of August giveaway. So this one, Flaxseed Gel, this is by Palmer's. This is the first product I have ever had that has not mixed with any of the products that I have. I don't know why. It's so confusing why it will not mix with any other product. It gives me flakes. If somebody has ever used this and it works well for you, let me know. But as you can see, I still have some amount of it left right over here. I've tried it so much. I have this much left. I'm gonna trash it because it is coming on to the 12th. This is for 12 months. Next month will be 12 months since I've had this product, and it's not working, so I'm gonna trash it. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this, feel free to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please don't forget to watch each and every one of our videos, because you never know when there's gonna be a giveaway. But just for knowledge, we show valuable information. I don't want you to watch it just for giveaway. I want to watch it and learn from it. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye.